Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the All Computer classes. Now this is first video on chapter 10 and we are continuing with Microsoft Word 2010. We had part 1, 2 and 3. This is third chapter on MS Word in class 9th, right? So this is first part of chapter 10. So the topic that we are going to cover today is inserting graphics in Word. In MS Word, if you want to insert any kind of picture, image, so how can you insert that, right? So we'll be learning about that today. When we talk about inserting graphics, inserting image from a file, right? Inserting an image from other sources like from any graphic program, from clipart and from scanner, right? So we'll be learning about these four topics: from file, from graphic programs, clipart and scanner. For inserting any image, very easy way to remember, if we want to insert the image, so we will go in the insert tab, right? In the insert tab we have third group called illustrations, right? In the illustration we have very first option which is called pictures. So I'll click here, it will open a dialog box, insert picture, right? So I can browse the picture. For example, I go in the downloads. I have downloaded some images, so I can browse it, right? And I can click on insert. So the image would come in my MS Word document. From here, you see the image is selected. So when image is selected, the formatting tab will automatically open, and from here we can give different kinds of frame to the image, and we can choose even the color of the frame, right? So this is how we can insert an image from a file. So you need to go in the insert tab and click in the pictures, right? The next way is from other sources like from the graphic programs, right? So your Paint is graphic program, your Adobe Photoshop, that is a graphical program, right? So for example, I insert a picture from Paint, right? I have this picture in Paint and I added this picture. Let's say I crop this image, right? I crop this image and I selected this Ctrl+C for copy. Now I come back to MS Word and I click Ctrl+V. So my image has come from the graphic source. We have got these points here and I can increase the size or I can decrease the size of the image like this, right? And I can place it the way I want it. Again, this format tab will be there and I can give border to it. I can change the border color, right? So this is how we can insert a picture from graphic source. We have inserted image from file and from graphic program. So what I need to do, I need to open the other graphic program like Photoshop. Whatever image you have there, you can just Ctrl+C copy and come back to the Word and click at the place where you want to insert it and then press Ctrl+V to paste that image. I hope you are clear with these two methods. Now we are going to learn how to insert image from a clipart. So the method is very easy. What we will do, we will again go in the insert tab. Here in the illustration group we have clipart, right? So I'll click here. The moment we will click here, we will get to see this clipart pan on the extreme right side. Here it is written search for. So what do you want to search? I want to search for flowers, right? I'll click here and it has all these flowers, right? So whatever flower I like, I can choose from here. So for example, I like this picture and I will double click it or press enter. The image will come on the screen. For example, you like this image, right click and it will be there, right? So this is how you can insert an image. So this is how we can insert from different sources. Now the third and very important is image from a scanner. So I don't have a scanner connected to my system, but I can guide you how we can get our images, scanned images, to be inserted in a Word document, right? So we used to have that option, organize clips, in 2007 under the clip art, but that option is not available here now. Not direct access is given here. To access organized clip, we have certain steps. So whatever images we will be scanning using our scanner, right, those images will come in a organized clip, right? So we need to guide the system and we need to connect it. So I'll tell you how we can access the organized clip images, right, which would be containing the scanned images. So for that I need to go to the start button, and here in Microsoft Office I click this button, and you see here we have the third option is Microsoft Clip Organizer. I'll click this button. See a favorite Microsoft Clip Organizer. It is containing the images from the a web collection, office collection, unclassified clips, favorites clip, my collection, under the my collection, right? So all the images are there. So now I need to access the scanner. So for that I will go in the file, and here add clips to organize. The option is from a scanner or a camera, right? So I'll select this option, right? The moment I'll select this option, if the scanner is connected, it would show the device. I'll select the resolution and click on the insert tab in that box, right? So that device would appear here, right? I need to wait until the images are getting scanned using the scanner, right? So whatever images will be scanned, all those images will come under my collection, like these folders. The scanner's name folder would come under my collection, means it would be containing all the images that has been scanned by the scanner, right? So Microsoft Organizer work is done. The image has come here. Now its work is done. Whatever images are here, that can be accessed in MS Word. Means if the scanned images has come here, so I can access directly in the MS Word. So after this I will close it. Now I'll come back in the MS Word. I'll click here and clip art option. In this task pane, for example, I was searching the images, right? So I'll click just go, and the images from the scanner would come here. I will click that image and it would appear, right? So what you need to do, you need to go to the Microsoft Office. You directly click on Clip Organizer, Microsoft Clip Organizer, right? After that the dialog box will appear. You will click on the File tab and you will choose the option from a scanner or a camera, right? Then the moment you will choose that device would appear on the right side. Click on the insert. After inserting, a folder would come on the so after this a folder with a scanner name would appear here, means all the images has been scanned from a scanner. Means if the image has come here in the clip organizer, that can be directly inserted using the clip art, right? So it is very simple. If you have a scanner at your home, just try these steps. They are very simple, right? I hope you are clear with inserting images from a file, from a graphic program, and from clip art, and even from a scanner, right? So just try out all these topics. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. So take care, goodbye, and God bless you all.